baby, why your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to share with you guys how to make this glamorous and inexpensive wall decor using Dollar Tree items. Alright everyone, here's the items that we'll be using for this quick and easy, glamorous, inexpensive wall decor. I'll have everything listed down below in the description box. Just scroll below the video and click where it says show more, and you'll see everything telling you about what I used and where I got them from. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright, I'll be using this bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, which I cut a long strip. And we have the platter here from the dollar store. And I'll just be using the hot glue and gluing the bling wrap going all around the outside of the platter. And now we have our mirror from the Dollar Tree. We're placing it in the center of our platter. And I'll be just using some E6000 and our hot glue gun to just place our mirror into the center of the platter. Alright everyone, now we have these gemstones here. You can get them from Hobby Lobby if you're in America, and if you're in Canada you can get them at Dollarama. Yeah, so I'm just going to place them going all the way around our mirror. We're going to fill out the platter with the gemstones going all the way around. And now we're going to start our second row going all the way around. And now for a third row going all the way around, you guys. And I'm just going to keep going until we fill the platter all the way in.
Productions.
And here is our finished project, you guys. It was really quick, easy, and fast, you guys. OMG. And doesn't it look beautiful? Like I always say, take things that you get from the Dollar Tree, put them together, and make something elegant for your home. I love how the stones all together look so glamorous. Doesn't it look nice, you guys? It looks really elegant and nice. I love how it turned out. And here's how it looks on the wall. And I used 2 large command strips to hang it up on the wall, you guys. I really loved how it turned out, you guys, and I'm thinking of making 2 more in maybe a medium size, or I might get the same size here and place them one on each side of this one. I think it would look very nice above the TV. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. Should I make 2 more or 1 more? Should I make them a little bit smaller or make 2 more the same size? Give me your give me your advice. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, press that like button. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye-bye.